Ah, Nepa don't carry light again, and this inverter just day chop my battery anyhow. Transformer-based Wahala.
Is what he's saying.
Let's break this down and explain why transformer-based inverters drain batteries so quickly. First reason, standby power consumption. Transformer-based inverters have a heavy iron core transformer that stays energized even when no appliances are connected. This means your battery is supplying power 24/7 even when you're not using it.
Who they run gen for empty house? Transformer, Yusef no they rest.
Second reason, inefficient energy conversion. Transformer-based inverters lose energy as heat during DC to AC conversion. This means more power is needed from the battery to run your appliances.
See as light day waste like this oil. This transformer-based inverter no day efficient at all.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Look at it.
Third reason, continuous magnetization. The transformer needs constant energy to maintain its magnetic field, even when the load is very light or there's no load at all. This eats into your battery life.
You day waste light anyhow. This transformer-based inverter now like person way no sabi save.
Fourth reason, no load current. Even when there's no appliance connected, the transformer still consumes power to keep itself running. It's like eating small, but the food goes still finished. Kid, mummy, nah, transformer finish the battery. Oh, no beanie. Fifth reason, heat losses. Transformers generate significant heat, especially when powering heavy loads. That heat is wasted energy and your battery suffers for it.
Transformer-based inverter day hot past gen exhaust. I beg, who go help me cool this thing?
So, why do transformer-based inverters run down your batteries quickly? It's because of 1. High standby power consumption, 2. Inefficient energy conversion, 3. Continuous magnetization losses, 4. Higher no-load current, 5. Heat losses. If you want to reduce battery drain, here are some tips. Turn off your inverter when not in use. Use energy-efficient appliances. Upgrade to a transformerless inverter if possible. Consider adding solar panels to your setup to recharge batteries more effectively.
Hey beg, bring the new inverter before this transformer-based one carry my light bill join. I know fit shout.
Like, share and subscribe for more tech tips.